Oh yeah, it's of course it's a fun day. It's a fun tournament. Happy birthday, Zanjo! Congrats on your Zanjo Z Cup #2. I played in the first one actually, which is about maybe I think 3 years ago yata. So it's good to be invited back. And anytime I can play golf, why not, diba?
It's really your sports po talaga.
Yeah, I play golf. I've been playing ever since I was a kid. Yan ang game ko with my lolo. When my lolo was still alive, we played golf. That was kind of our bonding.
May times po bang nakakasama niya si Tony mag-golf in spite of her busy schedules?
Ayun na sa sun eh. Pero nasa driving range. Minsan siya pupunta dyan. So, sana she can learn. But you know, she's too busy eh. So, and golf is the kind of sport dapat practice and practice.
Sir, kamusta na kayo ni Tony right now?
Oh, we're great. We're good. We just celebrated 6 years, diba? Last month. And you know, it's great. It's good.
Kamusta naman po yung celebration ng 6 years?
How you celebrate it?
We were able to go out for dinner, some of our favorite restaurants, and just celebrate being with each other, watching movies. After Four Sisters yan we were able to go out, and I think we were able to spend a couple of days together. And I know balik pelikula na siya na. She's shooting another movie now. So
with Piolo?
With Piolo. I think they just started. So excited din ako for that because I know ano yan, sa Sprite commercial sila nag-meet, diba? 13 plus years ago, now co-starring.
Sir, kasi si Tony ngayon, meron siyang show diba? Yung sa San Miguel?
That's right, cooking.
Yeah, okay.
Cooking.
Nabanggit niya nga po na niregaluhan niyo yata siya ng culinary.
Yes, that's right. Well, she's actually always loved to cook and bake, you know. But of course with her busy schedule, she doesn't have the time. So I got her this workshops, culinary school, no, and she enjoyed it. I actually joined her also. And I was just watching her. I mean, naman, I'm there to make kulit and to try the food, of course, in the end. And I know with her cooking show now, she's getting to cook more, and she's very active now. And then she always brings cupcakes na sa mga work.
Right.
So I'm really happy for her.
Ano po yung favorite dish ni Tony na kinukok niya for you?
Well, lately I really like her carrot cake muffins. She does that really well. And she's making baked macaroni also, which I like. Sometimes she makes me baon pa, so she brings it over.
Sir, kasi ang tingin ng ibang tao, kaya niyo pinag-aral din ng ganun, is because preparation daw po sa pagkapakasal. Ano ba yung reaction na that?
Well, that's good because I think plus yan if your wife knows how to cook.
Yeah, right.
So I'm happy that she's learning now. So pag time, she knows how to cook good food, no, for me and of course, you know, in the future family.
So sir na parang medyo pinaprepare niyo na nga rin kung sakasakaling
pauwi sa kasal. For me naman talaga, we're heading that direction. I mean, my eyes are just on her, and we're just waiting for the right time right now. It's just the right time. You know, that's forever. Yung pag marriage, forever yan, for the rest of your life, till death do us part.
Sir, natanong kasi namin si Tony, sabi niya ganun, kung sakasakali daw na ayain niyo siya, sabi kasi may kontrata pa siya namin niya, pero pwedeng mabaliwala ang kontrata. Kung kasi ang marriage to bigla ang dumarating yan sabi rin sa kanya ng father niya. Sabihin parang open siya for that. Na maaaring ngayon or next year. What is your reaction on that? Na parang ganun na rin pala siya ka-open sa ganung.
Well, it's good because that's also my my reaction. That's also the way I feel, no? So I think it's just a matter of time, and I think we'll know it talaga. The ball's in my court, diba? I'm the guy, diba? So ano yan? I'm not pressured naman. I know it's gonna happen, and the right time I think is very soon. So
sir, wala pa bang balak?
Na-publish yung statement niya na sooner or later.
Yeah, sooner than later naman. I think so. I mean, we've been together 7 years now, going on 7. So for me, definitely sooner than later, and it's really exciting. It's an exciting time, I think, for both of us.
Sir, kasi there have that belief na parang 7 years each po ba yun sa isang relasyon? Na medyo delikado daw po yan po 7 taon.
Yeah,
kasi pwedeng break up or magtuloy-tuloy talaga.
Well, I think definitely tuloy-tuloy, diba? I think we've been together for 6 years, but you know, 6 years na understanding show business, and I think we've lasted. So the foundation is really strong, and I believe talaga that tuloy-tuloy na to.
Sir, kasi parang before na banggit din po ni Tony na may pinagsilosan kayo ng mga unang taon.
Of course, I think natural naman yan, you know. But you know, what's nice about our relationship for the last 6 years is the trust hasn't been broken.
Right.
And so I just rely on that. You know, if I see things on TV, of course, you know, may konting kissing scene, may konting holding hand, I trust her naman na that's just part of the job. And bilang director din, I understand. Good thing na rin that I'm in the same industry mean, I understand that it's in front of the camera, it's all make-believe, it's all storytelling. But behind the camera, it's us.
Sir, kasi hindi maiiwasan na naiintriga din kayo since si Tony nga is well-known personality in the business.
yeah,
Ano? May mga issue na binabato sa inyo. Napipikon ba kayo pag lumalabas yung mga pictures nyo? May mga babaeng binibigyan ng kulay ng ibang tao?
It's funny. I mean, for me naman, sometimes I know who the girl is kasi
Right,
katrabaho ko yan. I mean, normal naman yan. We take pictures with co-workers,
Friends, right,
with friends,
co-workers,
the girls,
oh.
pero they blur it and they make it look like, a scandal. No? So, like I said, the trust is there, and Tony trusts me, I trust her, and we've never broken it. So with it, that's what kind of we hang on to now. There's no reason to doubt each other.
So never nyo pinag-awayan, sir, yung mga ganun? Pinag-uusapan nyo lang po?
Because actually, most of the time, she knows where I am. I
Uh-uh.
mean, she calls me, she texts me, so she knows if I go out with some friends, some co-workers.
Right.
And it's just all for fun. I mean, it's only up to there. And same thing with her. She also goes out, events and work, and it's all just work.
Sir, ang hinihintay ng tao, kailan daw po kaya makakakita ng sing-sing kito? Yung engagement ring.
Well, definitely you'll see it kasi she's on TV almost every day, diba? So The Buzz and The Voice and then her cooking show. So, wala, we have to go and choose one.
Pero balak mo ba this year na?
Sooner than later. That's what I say.
Yung
Sooner than
engagement na
later.
yan, sir, yung
Sooner than,
magpapapose
definitely. I think that's the next step na. That's the next step na.
Wala palang balak kung kailan po talaga or definitely.
Wala pa. You'll all know when it happens. So it's a mystery now between us. I don't want naman to say it kasi baka she might
Right.
expect,
Yes.
diba?
But are you the type of guy who would give grand wedding or simple lang?
I think I'm the type naman that, well, for me talaga, if you ask me, simple wedding. I'm also a very private person, but I understand Tony in being in the public eye. So I told her naman, that's your day. It's your day to be the most beautiful, to be the center of attention. So I'll give that to her. And of course, I'll give my inputs then. So food maybe or whatever. But I'm down naman for anything. For me naman, the wedding is just one day. I want to focus on the marriage, which is the rest of your life.
Okay.